Hello, this is a quick video about the past perfect. The form of the past perfect is had plus the past participle. Examples: you had studied English before you moved to New York. Had you studied English before you moved to New York? Or you had not studied English before you moved to New York. So in all of these sentences, there are two past events, but one happened before the other. That is why we use the past perfect instead of the past simple past. So we always use the past perfect when there are two past actions. In this picture, you can see two past actions. This is the present, and there are two things in the past. But we want to know which one happened first. We always mark the one that happened first with the past perfect. So it expresses the idea that something occurred before another action in the past. Here are some example sentences. So in all of these sentences, you will notice that there are two past events. And the only time that we should really use the past perfect is when there are two past events, and we want to show which one happened first. So I want to tell you that the past perfect is not very commonly used in speaking or really in writing. It's used sometimes, but mostly we use simple tenses. So if you want to use the past perfect, you need to have a reason to use it. And the reason should be that something happened before something else, that there were two things that happened in the past and one happened before the other. Okay, so here are some examples. I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I went to Kauai. So here we have see a beautiful beach and go to Kauai. They are both in the past, but this one happened first, never seen a beautiful beach. Okay, so you can read the example sentences and let me know if you have any questions.